Hello everyone! So I just traveled from the space and I found something cool. Remember that we talked about how Earth's orbiting the sun? So do you see where is this? This is Indonesia. Now, for example, this is the sun. If I put the sun here, let's see the other side. Here is Africa. Can you see? Africa, it's night. And Indonesia, because the sun here, is day. And what does it mean orbiting? Orbiting means that this one, look. It's orbiting the sun. The earth also moving, like this. So that's why we have 4 seasons like summer, winter,
Spring season.
and fall or autumn. That's why sun is so important for us. So, do you know what is this? It's called shooting stars. Have you ever seen a shooting stars before? Do you know what is shooting stars? So, a shooting star is not actually a star. It's a much smaller, like a grain of rice. These are pieces of material in space left over from the stars that burning up. They are called meteors. Meteors are things that floating in the space. When you see a meteor, it's because it has entered the Earth's atmosphere. That's why it's like burning. This one. They enter the Earth's atmosphere. They're burning up. That's why when the meteor is passed by, you can see it as a shooting star, like that. Only once in a while, meteor hits the Earth and create a hole. The hole called craters. These pieces of burned up star look like carrot rock and are called meteorites. So shooting star is actually a meteor. So meteor was a small rock. There are larger objects that float in the space. It's called comet. Comet is like a fireball. It has tail. But actually, comet is like it's a frozen, icy rock. It's like a dirty snowball. They are usually floating around space, and at first they look like this one, like a rock, and then sometimes they go past by a sun, and the icy rocks melting, and then they create a tail. We don't see comets very often, but once in a while they come past by Earth. And whoever found the comet first actually can name the comet by themselves. And if you found comet, what would you name your comet? So, the difference between meteor and comet, comet has tail and meteor not. And we're going to do an experiment of meteor. So stay tuned everyone in the live class.